today we are making Mexican rice. For those we need some ingredients. Here I have boiled rajma, colored bell peppers, some spring onion which is totally optional, chopped garlic, and a tomato puree. I grind the ginger in it. And here are dry spices. This is oregano, red chilli powder, and sugar, basil, jeera powder, some onion chopped, boiled corns, and 1 cup soaked rice. We have been cooking onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we add our ginger and tomato puree. Now we have to cook this tomato for more 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking tomatoes, we need to add salt to taste. According to your taste, you can add the salt and the all spices together. Now give it a good mix, all of them, and again you have to keep it for like 1 more minute to cook it. Let the all spice blend with tomato puree and onion. After simmering up for a little bit, we will add our rice. You can add any rice you want, brown rice or basmati rice or the regular ones, as I have regular ones at home. I'm adding them. Now we will cook rice with tomatoes for some few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the rice get good flavors of tomatoes. Then we will add the remaining things. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, as our rice has been mixed with the tomatoes, we are adding our remaining veggies. So that the advantage of putting veggies at this stage is that your veggies won't be overcooked. If you add with onion and tomato, so you will get the veggies to be overcooked. So it's good to add veggies here, so you can enjoy their flavors. We'll add ketchup. It's totally optional. And we will add the water. As in 1 cup rice, we used to pour 2 cups. So I'm adding just 1.5 cup, and the remaining water will be fulfilled because of tomato. Yeah.